Hola, señoras and señoritas. Welcome back to the Drunk Chef Ev. This is the IBIZA MUKBANG. So we are in sunny Ibiza, and the question on everyone's mind is, does takeaway taste the same all over the world? I'm going to find out today. I'm going to have a few beers in the hot sun and hopefully do a successful mukbang for you lot. As per the rules in España, we wear masks everywhere and we want to keep up with the custom. Just going to nip in the shop and get a few ciderinos. They've got all sorts of flavours of this that I've never seen before. What is that? And obviously you've got the Copperberg, but what? I've never seen passion fruit and strawberry and mango, raspberry. I'm going to try one of these. 1, 2, passion fruit. I'll get 2 of them. Perfecto. I have no idea what that would be used for. What is that? I've never seen anything like that before in my life.
Grind cheese.
Oh! Hola! Gracias. Gracias, adios.
Thank you, adios.
Biz. As you can tell, I'm a cider man, but I haven't managed to find Magners yet. Stauncher. Oh! That's so nice. That is so nice. It's ice cold as well. How good is that?
3 out of 10.
3 out of 10? Are you joking?
Hyping it up.
I thought it was nice. So here we are at the first stop of our mukbang video, the Burger King. I'm normally known as the Burger King. Let's go and see what they've got in Ibiza Burger King. Oh, mask. What do you think looks tasty?
Everything. The Big Bang.
Hola. Uno king bacon, por favor. Uno Big Bang. Uno crispy chicken, por favor. Aletas de pollo. King arroz de cebolla. And that's it. Gracias. Take away, please. Por favor. Gracias. Gracias. I was not prepared to order. I thought I was going to go to the machine, but it's card only. I bought my euros out and I didn't bring my card. What did I get?
I have no idea. I couldn't fucking understand what the hell you were saying.
It's because it's in Spanish. I've got chicken wings.
Okay, I saw you point to that, so that's the only thing I knew you were getting.
No, agregámosle queso.
And replica queso. And then listo when it's done. Gracias. Adios. There is the first stop on our MukBang menu. Now let's go and have a word with my mate the Colonel at KFC. Stop numero 2. Let's go and get some pollos. Just look at this. I've never seen anything like that before in an English KFC. Muy delicioso. Might not be Spanish.
I don't think it is.
Nuevo. Do you know what that means?
No.
Taste it. Doesn't mean.
What are you gonna get, Ev?
I mean, look at that menu. I don't understand anything of it. I ask if they speak English, because that's the easiest way for me to do it.
Yeah, I think so too. Can I use?
It looks like cheap. Pieces of chicken or chicken strips?
Pieces of chicken.
Pieces of chicken.
Bet them on the bone, if you know what I mean.
I know exactly what you... Hola, can I please get para 2 with the 5 pieces and 5 wings? Please.
What do you want? Crispy or without?
Oh, crispy, please. Can I get some of the Kentucky fries, please? 2 of the barbecue cheeseburgers, please. 1 portion of the strips, please. $7.99.
Any sauce? Barbecue?
Oh yeah, please. Barbecue would be great. Thank you. Take away, please. Correct? Gracias. Thank you so much.
Iced tea, please.
Cass! It says Cass! Cass! Oh, it's some sort of orange. What do you reckon? You think that's enough crap?
Yeah. Could do with a couple more burgers.
get back to the beds and let's eat. Gracias. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose my mind, and I think I like it. So we managed to acquire our own little section of paradise today, and this is it. Welcome to our home for the day. That's a lot of grub, man.
It's a lot of food, man.
It's a lot of grub.
It's a lot of food.
Right, I'll tell you first step you need to do.
Beers.
You knew it. You absolutely knew it. There we have it. Let's begin this Ibiza mukbang. I need a beer. Let's go for the old proper burg. Gracias. Staunch up. How do you get ahead off cider? Every time. Yeah. Staunch up. I can't get the stop.
Oh, I see.
Okay, let's go. So, we have, I don't know what this is, in a box? Oh, the loaded fries, okay. Oh, they smell delicious. More loaded fries that aren't really that loaded. More fries. It's like a shit ton of fries, man. Onion rings? They smell good. One big old looking burger. Oh, look at that. That looks delicious. Muy delicioso.
Gonna have to share.
No, I'm not sharing. I mean, that doesn't look that great. Crispy chicken. Gracias. Why the fork would you give me that? Barbecue chicken burger from KFC. Another barbecue chicken burger from KFC. A bucket of chicken. And this is crispy chicken. They asked if I wanted normal or double crispy chicken. I asked for double crispy and they've given me the double crispy. Bosh. Ooh, chicken strippies. Chicken strippies. Is that it? This is everything. Can I have some beers then, please? Oh no. Is that all the beers? Dos. That is what I call a mukbang. I don't know why I can't pour a cider anymore. Stauncher. Oh, there's a wasp. I have to try this big old burger. It's not bad. Bit of tomato. Stuff.
Already?
No, joking. Burger King onion ring. I do like an onion ring. This is the Burger King crispy. What was it called?
Crispy chicken.
Crispy. That makes a lot of sense. I don't know why there's tomato in it, but it's alright. 5, 6 out of 10. I mean, just look at the difference between those two wings. Comment if you can tell, top or bottom, which is KFC and which is Burger King. There's a wing technique. Pull it out and then... I've had worse wings. If I was going to rate it out of 10, it would probably be 3 or 4. It's not 0. Burger King fried. These are nice and cold.
Georgia.
Cheesy, man. I think people in England would love this. KFC chicken wing. It's now a good time to be stuffed. Los pollos hermanos. tastes different. This does not taste like the normal Colonel 11 herbs and spices. It is double crispy though. Not bad. Chicken strip. Does not bang. That's a 0. What? Barbecue chicken burger. It tastes like it would have been nice yesterday. The cheese tastes like plastic. But I had another bite, so it can't be that bad. I'm a big lad, I can eat. Fuck me. Look how much is left. Look how much is left. There you have it. This has been the Drunk Chef Ev MUKBANG Ibiza.
Meaning, my best song is
Thanks again for tuning in. I hope you're having a great week and I can't wait to have a beer with you all. God bless.